Okay, so in this video we'll learn about repeating strings. So as we know that the strings are not non-integer data type, right? So while we cannot technically multiply a string by an integer, however, we can repeat a string, and to do so we can use a star operator followed by a integer to indicate the number of times we want to repeat the string. Okay, so let's see that in action. So let's say sample data. So this is the string which I want to repeat, and I'll use a stars asterisk symbol, and then I will specify the integer basically, which tells that how many times you want to repeat. Let's say I want to repeat it 10 times. So you see sample data, sample data, sample data. So if I just put a space here and then see, or let's say I put just data. Okay, so you see data is being repeated 10 times. So that is how we can repeat the strings, and also we can add the strings. Okay, so if I want to add two strings, like I can use the add operator. Okay, okay, so what it is basically does, it will add this to strings, and this is not just limited to this. um, this is not just limited to this, we can extend it to like okay, so like that we can add the strings. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.